If you are looking to achieve British pronunciation, which of course is modern received pronunciation, you want to master the letter T sound, because the letter T is fundamental in British pronunciation and even for both British and American pronunciation. However, in British English, there's quite a different way that you can pronounce it, and if you can master only way to pronounce it, it will transform the way you sound. It will transform the entire accent, the way you speak. And today's video, I will show you how to pronounce the letter T, and of course, how to sound more British. What makes British English so unique is the letter T and how to pronounce it. And yeah, we are talking about received pronunciation, also known as BBC English, or even the standard British English, like in American English. Now we have the letter T, I would say, is often becomes soft D sounds. Example, in a word like waddle, even in a word like buddle. Whereas in the British pronunciation, you more likely to hear better, even better. We pronounce it properly, no shortcuts, okay? And some regional accents, like Cockney accent, the letter T disappears altogether. Better becomes better, water becomes water. But we don't want to sound like that. We want to sound BBC English or standard British English. And I think we're focusing on the P letter T entirely, and if you can master it, your accent will become fluent, and literally you will transform your accent entirely. However, how to pronounce it in British English, I would say, let's break it down, shall we? We have got tongue placement first. The tip of your tongue just behind your top of the teeth, okay? The way that you pronounce it builds a little air behind the tongue. Release it. Don't pronounce it like a D sound, and it's absolutely glottally stop, okay? Let's try this. In words like water, it's not waddle, it's water, better, not better, it's better. A lot. Take your time, and I would say, don't just pronounce it the way you want, because we are trying to make your accent a little bit more British, okay? Now try these one by yourself. Better, important, a lot, bottle of water, matters. Have you noticed? I pronounce the letter T quite intensely, okay? I would say just try to practice it from day to day, and you will sound more British. What I would highly suggest, try to record yourself and compare it with a native British speaker. Then repeat after every pronunciation word to compare your pronunciation with their pronunciation, and of course to ultimately sound more British. I would say this video is not that long, but this is the only sound that you need to sound more British. And let me know in the comments, what do you think about it? I'll see you in the next video. Take care.